And we're keeping an eye on the radar right now as we are starting to see some thunderstorms bubbling on up out there. Let's take a quicker look at that. Right now, it's seeing this in Star and Hidalgo County. A lot of this is in ranch land, but they are producing a pretty good amount of thunder strikes. So we are going to keep an eye on that as these start to be shifting off to the east as the rest of the evening progresses. That's what our Futurecast model has it moving back closer towards Harlingen as well as Westlaco. So you get in towards this evening. Overnight, though, things will quiet down as we start Sunday morning, but another sea breeze front could trigger another few showers and thunderstorms as we get in towards Sunday evening. So we are going to be keeping an eye on that for you. But again, it is going to be another couple wet days out there, and with that wet weather, well, that's just going to mean we're going to continue to see those mosquitoes out and about, and they're just going to continue to get worse as you get in towards early next week. I'll tell you what, my first experience with them, well, I'll tell you what, they're everywhere, and not much you can do about them as you continue to see those, again, those high levels of water out there across the rest of the region. But really, we are going to start to see more of the sunshine the next couple of days, as well as these warmer temperatures, and that's going to allow things to start to evaporate and the conditions to get better as we are continue to see a lot of those mosquitoes starting to move on out of here as we get in towards later on, at least calm down some compared to where we're at right now. Now, in terms of the tropics, we are keeping an eye on Hurricane Isaias, and that's again right off of Florida. But we have two other portions of development we're watching. One right behind it right now, 60% chance of development over the next couple of days. This one looks like it's going to be a fish storm and curve out into the Atlantic. And then we got Tropical Depression 10. This one's kind of fizzling out right off the coast of Africa. But we still have a lot of areas of future development over the next couple of weeks. We continue to watch the chance for more hurricane development, and we're nowhere near the end of hurricane season. We're already almost to J, so the next storm will be Josephine, maybe forming next week. But we have seen the latest on Isaias actually degraded itself from a hurricane back down to a tropical storm, but it's expected to re-strengthen as it skirts up along the coast of Florida and then finally pushes up along the northeast, making a second landfall somewhere in the Carolinas on Tuesday morning, and then ultimately up and down the East Coast there. So it's not dead yet, but it is very weak compared to where it's been just the last couple of days. Now, in terms of the next 7 days, got a few showers possible again tomorrow. Get up along that sea breeze, though. A lot of sunshine this week. Maybe another chance for seeing some more of those showers, sea breeze storms later on in the week. But we're going to be looking at temperatures in the mid-90s across the valley, as well as those heat indices up into the hundreds.